Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is X. If you have forgotten well, I actually apparently forgot to do an intro of me doing an intro for this video. So, magtiis-tiis na lang tayo sa mukha kong umaaura like that because I am such a noob. So for today's video, I will be teaching you about how to do this halo periwinkle eye makeup that I managed to do. So it's kind of light. It's periwinkle. It's not the usual dark purples that I love putting into my eyes. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and this is just a short video. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this video if you like it, and I will all see you soon on my next videos. Bye now. Mwah. So let's start off with my Norvina palette from Anastasia, and I will go into the shade Base. That's a creamy white or creamy shade that I will use to set the concealer on my eyelids. Then I will go into Love. That's a pinky rosy shade that I'm using as my transition color. I love it so much, and I'll just blend it in using windshield wiper motions. And I will go into Soul. That's like a periwinkle color to further deepen my crease and to add dimension. From my Urban Decay palette, I will go into the shade Jilted. That's a bright pink shade, and I will use it to further deepen my crease. And I will go into the shade Chaos, and through packing motions, I will be deepening my outer and inner corner of my eyelid. So we just pack, and then using my concealer, that's a ColourPop one, and a flat brush, I will be cutting some part of my eyelid to prepare it for the halo eye that we will be creating. So just focus on the middle. Then going into the shade Wild Child from my Norvina palette. That's like a pinky shimmery shade. I will be only using my finger to put it on my eyelid. Then using that silvery shade from my Urban Decay Electric palette, I will further add to the shimmer using that shade, and with a with a fresh brush, I will blend everything together. Then I'll go into the shade Love for my lower lid, and I will go back to Soul again for my lower lid as well to blend them all together. And I'll just be putting my lashes off camera, and yeah, I'm back. And let's go to the shade Dreamer. I will be using it to highlight my tear duct and my brow bone. And to contour my face, I will be using my Bahama Mama bronzer from my The Balm in Your Hand 2 palette. I love it very well. It has a neutral shade, perfect for all skin tones. Also, never forget to bronze or contour your jawline to eliminate our double chin, just so our face look really snatched. I will also be using the bronzer to contour a bit of my nose. And back into the palette, I will be using my Mary Lou Manizer highlighter to highlight my nose and the high points of my face, such as the tops of my cheeks over there and my Cupid's bow. So I really love this highlighter. It's really shimmery, but it's natural. For our blush today, I will be going into my Tarte Party If I am not mistaken, the shade is called Party, and that's what are we gonna use for our blush today. And I will also be using my Tarte lip paint in Birthday Suit, if I'm not mistaken, for our lippy today. So that's it, and I hope that you like this video.